Good afternoon. Well, I had a very crazy and hectic weekend that I'm not going to go into, but I did concentrate on this 132 scale Italrie Napoleonic French artillery train. I've got two of these to do, and I've completed the first one, I think, for the diorama that I shall be starting on soon. This is like 16 inches long. It's got to be around there. That's well over a foot. I've got to make a base up for it yet. Obviously, it's not on a base and it's not all connected. It's a pain in the arse, I tell you. You connect everything up, you put the riders on, and everything snaps out. So I got over it just by making a few adjustments. Pleased with that. I've got one more to do, which is half finished, or more than half finished. And then I'll never make another one. I can promise you that. Enjoyable painting. I really enjoyed painting it. And I really enjoy basing it. But they don't design it very well to go together very well. So then you've got to make your adjustments, which of course you've already finished painting the figures. So then there's more painting and touching up to do. But there we go. Pleased with that. Stay safe, take care. See you all again very soon.